How to log in into WeChat on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I will guide you how you can log in into WeChat on your PC. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you could use the WeChat Web. Now open up a browser and in the search bar, type in WeChat Web. After that, head over to the first link on your interface. After you go there or once you're on the web.wechat.com, a QR will be popped up in your interface. Now you have to scan the QR code using your WeChat mobile application. So in order to scan this QR code with your phone, you have to open up WeChat on your mobile device that can be on either Android or iPhone. After you open up WeChat on your mobile device, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. After that, find an option as Scan QR Code, tap on it. Now you can scan the QR code shown on your PC. In case if you cannot find the option to scan the QR code, head over to the Me option on your WeChat account on your mobile device, then go to Settings, then find General, and under General you will find Scan QR Code. So scan this QR code. Once scanned, confirm the login on your mobile. Once confirmed, now you are logged in into your PC as well. Then you can use WeChat on your PC to chat, send files, and more. And that's it. That's how you can log in into WeChat on your PC. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.